Welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making Arancini Rice Balls. And here's what I'll be using. I have some flour, just some all-purpose flour. I have some milk, and I've added some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder. And make sure you stir and taste to your liking. I have some breadcrumbs mixed with some panko breadcrumbs. I have some diced ham, diced really small, some mozzarella cheese, some mild cheddar cheese. I have some butter, and I have some white rice here that I've already cooked. And normally when I cook white rice, I'll rinse it 3, 4, 5 times maybe even, so the water almost runs clear. But instead I rinsed it one time because we want it to be a little sticky. I'm going to take a little non-stick spread, put a little on my hand, just a little bit. We're going to take our ice cream scooper. You don't want to pack it in yet. Put it in your hand. We're going to try to mold it together a little. And with whatever, I have some measuring spoons. I have a regular spoon. I have the ice cream scooper, but whatever. You want to make a pit in there, a dip, a hole, or whatever you want to call it. You want to have a place where you can add the cheese and the ham and your cheese and your ham. I'm just going to put them together. And we're going to take some ham also. Flatten that out some. And we're going to add some rice on top, of course. You can make these big balls, or you can make them small balls, whichever is easier. And it's a little bit easier to make them big, honestly. You want to put as much cheese and ham in there that you like, so play around with it. Make sure it's binding though, because you don't want it to open up. You might need to add a little more. Just do so. You know how you make a snowball? I know we all have made a snowball at one time or the other. Well, maybe not all of us, but those that are around snow. Together like this. The more you mess with it, the more sticky it becomes. And you want it to do that because you want it to stay. That feels like it's about it. It's not opening up anymore. You see? All the way around. So we're going to put it into our flour. Let me move this. You want to flour it well. And then you're going to put it in your milk pretty quick. And then into your breadcrumbs. Probably want to use a bigger bowl. I'm kind of making a mess, but you get what I'm trying to do here. Make sure you have it all the way around well because you want it to be nice and crunchy. Let me do it again. We're going to do one more for you. Set that to the side. Excuse me. Put a little water on your hands. the oil, but I use the water also, as you can see. You just want to make it pretty pliable. You can get what you want in there. Doesn't matter the order. I'm just going to put some ham in there like that. Should have folded my bag down. And some cheddar. Cheddar makes everything better. And you know what I forgot on the other ball? I forgot a little butter. You want to put a little pat of butter. Well, not a pat, but just a little bit. It's going to help it fry when it does fry. And help it be delicious too. I'm sorry that I forgot the other one, but it'll be fine. Get on in there. We're going to put some on top, of course, because we have to make a ball. Like I showed you, just kind of mess with it. The heat from your hand helps it out a lot too. Helps it stick together nicely. To the flour. And drop it into the milk quickly. Then into our breadcrumbs. Like I said, you probably want to use a bigger dish for this, so it won't be so messy, and it'll be a lot easier too. I don't know why I put in these little bowls, but we're gonna get the job done. Make sure it's all around, because you want to be nice and crunchy all around. And I'm going to finish these up, and then I'm going to sit them in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to fry them up. Ooh, what a mess I'm making. A little bit more here. Okay, they've been about 30 minutes in the refrigerator, but the longer the better. Let's check our oil and see if it's ready. See how it goes to the bottom and comes back up? It's ready to go. Too thick. I'm only going to add 3 in. You don't want it to be crowded. Give them their space. Move over, move over. Kind of hugging each other here. I have it in a small wok. Just leave them alone and let them cook. Make sure you keep an eye on them, and you roll, just keep turning them around until they're brown all the way around. These are about ready. I'm going to take them out, let them cool for a minute, and cut them and let you see them. It's still pretty warm, but we're going to cut it open. Ooh, that's pretty doggone hot. See the cheese? And the outside is pretty crunchy. I want you to see the inside, the ham. Oh, that's hot. The ham and the cheese. Can you see? I'm going to taste this right here. Nice and crunchy. Buttery. Delicious. You can add what you want. Any kind of meat you want. Any kind of cheese you want. You can make it big or small. It's up to you. It's a really good dish. The kids will love it. The hubby will love it. You'll love it. Excuse me. Well, that's it and that's all. Thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. And don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment this video. I would love to hear from you. Well, until next time, eat well and be well. Oops. Piece of rice. Later.